and my level is level 4 Ameena. I designed this whole project in Unity and Visual Studio. My language is A N B J C K, where K is equal to N J. It means N and J is a multiple of N and J is a multiple of K, and the language is not context free and not regular. For example, if I enter the string A double B double C, the table is shown on the screen. All the A's replaced into X, B into Y, and C into Z. The process continue until all the A, B, and C replaced into X, Y, and Z. If all A, B, and C replaced into X, Y, and Z, the string is accepted, and the animation is shown. Check the string for the rejected one. I entered the string A double B C start. Like accepted one, all the A, B, and C replaced into X, Y, and Z. The string is rejected because K is not equal to the multiple of N and J. Thank you.